Hello everyone, welcome back to your destination for all things wealth building. Today we're diving into innovative ways to generate passive income, and I'll share how I've been making $25K per week. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future financial insights. Let's explore these fresh and exciting passive income ideas. First on our list is NFT investments, a cutting-edge way to earn passively. Invest in unique digital assets and profit from their appreciation. Explore NFT marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible for potential investments. Next up, we have automated dropshipping, a hands-off approach to e-commerce. Use platforms like Shopify and automate product sourcing and shipping. Oberlo and Printify streamline the dropshipping process through mobile apps. Dive into cryptocurrency staking for passive income with your digital assets. Hold and lock up your cryptocurrencies to earn staking rewards. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance offer staking features through their mobile apps. Explore mobile app flipping, a unique way to profit from app development. Purchase undervalued apps, enhance them, and sell for a profit. Check marketplaces like Flippa and exchange for app flipping opportunities. Get creative with peer-to-peer car sharing for passive income from your vehicle. Platforms like Turo allow you to rent out your car when you're not using it. Turo's mobile app makes managing car rentals easy and convenient. Optimize your social media presence with automated social media management. Use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule and automate social media posts. Hootsuite and Buffer have user-friendly mobile apps for on-the-go management. Invest in real estate remotely with remote real estate investing. Explore platforms like Fundrise for hands-off property investments. Fundrise provides a mobile app for convenient portfolio management. Leverage AI for stock trading through automated algorithms. Utilize AI-powered trading algorithms for strategic stock investments. Platforms like AlgoTrader and QuantConnect offer AI-powered stock trading solutions. Thank you for joining us today on. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more wealth-building insights. See you next time.